today, this video wasn't actually planned today, but this arrived in the post. Do you know what it is? It is a cat eye, diamond cat eye, white cat eye, silver cat eye. I'm not sure, but it's all the trend at the moment. Look. Oh my gosh. And I'm going to be showing you how to use it and what it looks like in this video. Keep watching. So I decided I wanted to try a few different colours to see how it goes. So the first one I'm going to do is black. So it's just lavender violets black. You guys that watch my videos know that I love lavender violets. It's super pigmented, and yeah, so I'll just let you watch while I paint these. And if you're doing this on a client, you're going to need to do 2 coats because, you know, even though it is super pigmented, you still, as a rule of thumb, should do 2 coats anyway. So, I mean, look, that's how pigmented lavender violets is, look. I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 60. I'm also going to use a pink, which is D114. I'm going to try this. This is my French colour that I use all the time. It's called Cashmere. It's not on there. And it is a, oh, look at the state of that bottle. A very good nude that a lot of my customers use. So I wanted to see what it looks like over that because I know that a lot of the videos that we've been watching for the release of this particular product has been over nude, and it looks amazing. And I also wanted to try and see what it looked like over a glitter colour. And this is Beetles 492. And this is a green glitter colour, which would be perfect for Christmas designs. So I'm going to go ahead and colour, pop those on the nail pops here. And then I'll come back to you and done it because you don't want to watch me doing that. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so I've got 4 very different colours here. I've already cured them, popped them in the lamp, and I've got them with isopropyl alcohol. So I'm going to do the black first. Okay, so this is quite thick, so make sure you're wiping it off the brush. Popping it on to your nail pop colour. Make sure you guys can see. Okay, now I'm not going to pop this brush back in the pot because if I do the magnetic gel and it's not the way I like it, I can just go back over the nail and it will look like that again, and it will just reset the magnets. Okay, so I'm just going to pop it down. Now I've got a few different magnets here. I have the, oh, that keeps rolling. Oh, and it's still rolling. Okay, pop you there. I have this one here, which is makes like a crinkled effect. I've got this one here that does some lines. I have a normal one that just does a stripe. This one supposedly does an S, although I've not quite mastered it yet. And I've got this double-ended one. Again, I think that one just does a stripe, and that one does like a circle. It's meant to be like the dragon's eye, but I can never seem to get it right. But anyway. Right, so what are we going to do with this black one? Let's try the circle first. Okay, I'll put this up so you guys can see. So we're just going to get this and hold it over the, ooh, look, wow, that's on the black. Let's just put it a bit, the closer you put it, the more it brings the magnet pieces, no, silly girl, the more it brings it in. Look at that. That is gorgeous. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, so the next one I'm going to do is the pink. So let's just get some of that on our brush, and we're going to paint it on nicely. And then we got to decide what magnet we're going to use for this one. Let's have a look at, let's just wipe that off in case I need to reset the nail. And we will try the, I don't think these work. Let's give it a go. Oh, it has worked, look at that. It's done like an S swirl. Wow, can you see that? That's gorgeous. We'll pop that in the lamp. So the next one I'm going to do is pink, or sorry, nude cashmere, this one. Just make sure we cover the nail a bit more. Not too worried about the top there, I only did it on a pop. And then I'm going to take this round one again, and I'm going to just try putting it in different places on the nail. See what happens. Just kind of push it around. It looks quite cool like that, doesn't it? Even on the nude. Pop that in. Okay, so the last one is the green glitter one. You can see that glitter on there. I just thought it'd be nice for like a Christmassy design, maybe. So let's just have a look to see how this is going to turn out. Got a fair bit on there. Again, I'm just going to pop my brush up the bottom. And then I'm going to take this round one again. I quite like this round one. And I want to try and create an ombre fade. So I'm just taking that, pushing it down. See? This one is an ombre fade. There's a little bit at the top there. I suppose we could push that away actually. Let's push it away. You can push that down as far as you want if you hold it at an angle. If you're holding it like this, look. Can you see that? So you're holding it like at an angle and pushing it away. And it's like a Christmassy silver fade. You see? See that better? Pop that in the lamp. So once they're done, there's the first one. I'm going to give them all a wipe with some isopropyl alcohol. And then I'm going to top coat with Magpie's Don't Be Tacky. Making sure to get the free edge and the side walls, if you do this on a client. So that's that one going in the lamp. And I'll quickly, this one, I'll quickly top coat them now and then I'll come back to you. So here they are now, they're all top coated and that's all of them. I'll just zoom out and I will show you them one by one. So this is the first one, this is the black with the circle one. You can see that one. And then the pink with the S shape or the swoosh. Okay. And then the nude cashmere. And then the Christmas glitter tip ombre. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's anything you'd like me to cover or anything you'd want to see in future, please let me know. Also, I'd really be grateful if you would subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so and like this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!